In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide participants on Microsoft Teams. This is a useful trick when you want a cleaner meeting view on your screen, especially if you are presenting, sharing content, or recording a session, and you do not want the participants list taking up space. You will be doing this directly inside the Teams meeting window, using the built-in People panel controls. Start by opening Microsoft Teams on the web and going into your meeting. Make sure you are fully joined so you can see the meeting controls along the top or bottom of the screen, depending on your layout. Once you are in, take a moment to confirm you can see the standard toolbar, because the option you need is located there. Next, find and click People. This is the control that opens the participants area, where you can view everyone in the meeting. When you select it, a panel will appear showing the list of attendees. If you do not see people right away, look for the icon that represents participants. In most layouts, it is labeled clearly, and it will open a sidebar panel when clicked. Now, with the People panel open, click the highlighted control in that panel. This is the control that collapses or closes the participants panel so it no longer stays visible on your screen. Once you click it, you should notice the meeting content area becomes larger again, because the sidebar is no longer taking up room. Finally, click the highlighted control again where it appears on your meeting interface to fully return to the normal meeting view. At this point, your participants are effectively hidden from view because the People panel is closed. The meeting still continues normally, and participants can still speak, chat, and interact, but the list itself is not displayed on your screen. If you ever need to see the participant list again, simply click People once more to bring the panel back up and repeat the same action to hide it when you are done. That covers everything you need to know.